In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to allow pop-ups in the Firefox browser. So if you're going to use any of our Craigslist ad posting tools, you're going to want to allow pop-ups from admin.dealerwebsite.com. So I'm just going to go up to my URL here, and I'm going to copy this. We'll go into the Firefox settings in the top right corner here. Go down to Preferences. You're going to want to click on this Privacy and Security on the left. If we scroll down a little bit here, we'll see this Block Pop-up Windows. We'll click on Exceptions, and this is where we're going to paste in our website URL, and click Allow. And now Firefox is always going to allow pop-ups from admin.dealerwebsite.com. And then just hit Save Changes, and that's all there is to it.